Hello friends, my name is Rishabh and I will be showing you how to make a fake Windows virus that will make Windows to prompt fake virus alerts. So, we will type x is equals to msg box. This will create a fake box. By Windows, we can type our message after the inverted comma. So I would type I L U. Then we have to close the inverted commas and type a comma. So after the comma, we can type 0 to 6. So I will type 1 plus and 16, 32, 48 or 64. So I will type 16. So you would be wondering for what reason are we typing these numbers? We type these numbers because these 1 to 6 will determine which buttons will appear on the box, and 16, 32, 48 and 64 will determine which which icons will appear on the box. So I will share the full list in the description. So after this I will again put double inverted commas and write the heading of my this fake virus. So warning. So on every single box that appears, you always see a warning. So this would be our warning. So we would go to file, save as, and in the save as we will save it to desktop and we will type any application that you want to make it look like. Anything you can name it, but I would like to name it Internet Explorer, and I will also tell you why I'm naming it Internet Explorer. So, and it is a must to put .vbs over here. So I will click on save, so it is saved. So I will go on the home screen, then I will just double on the right click, and then I would refresh. So I can see Internet Explorer over here. If we will click on it, then what do you say? There would be, I fooled you. So, but it looks like it's something suspicious. It's not like a normal application. So what we can do is right click on this. So I told you that why are we writing Internet Explorer? Why we are writing Internet Explorer because we know that there is an icon of Internet Explorer in this. So first of all, we will go to show more actions. We will go to create shortcut. This would create the shortcut. And then we would have to right click on the shortcut, show more options and properties. I guess it did. Okay, it's here. Then we will type on change icon. Then we will find where is Internet Explorer icon over here. Yeah, over here. We will click on this and click OK. So it will create Internet Explorer shortcut. We will click on apply and OK. So you can see that it looks like Internet Explorer. And then if you also want to rename it, you can click on show more options, rename, and you can remove this shortcut link from here so that it looks more realistic. Fine, and any person who will see this now will think it's his or her Internet Explorer, and he or she would open it and they would see that there is a warning that appeared. So this is the same thing, and remember that we can hide this thing in the recycle bin so that it looks even more good. But see, if you will hide it, then it would show that it's a shortcut of that thing and it would not appear. So we would have to restore it back and then it's okay. So that was what I wanted to teach you. Please subscribe for more and like this video.